Morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Let's go. All right. Let me just clean the charts a little bit. Start fresh. Cool. Yeah, good morning. Anna, good morning. All right. Starting with gold, I guess. Right, so gold caught some sells and some buys today, but gold is looking a bit more bullish to me than bearish at the moment. So we've got a bullish daily candle which has respected yesterday's low and forming a support, but obviously it's not gonna be a confirmed support until the candle closes. But it would be good if we get some structure, because we need a daily key level up here now. 4 hour. Now the 4 hour here, we've got a support and then a lower low. But on IC markets, we have a beautiful 4 hour double bottom, which is a bullish reversal pattern. If we can push up above this resistance, 30.23, 30.24, we'll be breaking the neckline of the pattern and then potentially see some more buys up. If this resistance holds, then I think we get more of a pullback down. What's up, Caswell? So yeah, we're just going to see how this 4 hour is. I'm going to use this one because I am. Just for now. Well, I keep an eye on both. I always keep an eye on both. So now I want to see what gold does when it gets to this next resistance at 30.29, because it's like a break and retest up here. So this is quite a strong level because it's been tapped twice. Gold sells, 4 hour rejection. So yeah, this is the other one, and I'm not taking any sells until, I wouldn't bet on any sells until this candle closes, and there's still 2 hours left for this 4 hour candle to close. And like I said, we've got a double bottom, so to me gold is bullish right now. Fundamentally gold is still bullish. We've made a low. Current trend is, 30 minute is in an uptrend right now. So yeah, my 4 hour level is a bit higher. If this 4 hour candle for me, which closes in an hour and 14 minutes, just under an hour and 15, if it closes below this last resistance, I need to see how the next 4 hour candle opens, and then I can make a decision whether I'm looking for sells or not. Because on the 4 hour, we've got highs, lower high, lower high, lower high. We've got a downtrend structure on the 4 hour on this chart. But if we break, I think gold continues up. But yeah, right now it's chugging up slowly. These are the levels I have. I've got a resistance here that's been broken, so I caught the buys. So I'll show you the trades I took today. I took some sells down because initially the chart looked like this. It was looking good. We've got a resistance, a support. We broke that support, got a continuation pattern. We closed below. I took sells on the next candle, and then I got out literally at 20 pips, literally closed at 20 pips because we sort of closed right on the daily flip, which gold likes to test and then push up from, which is exactly what it did. When gold closed with this strong bullish candle, this for me was a lot of confirmations right here. So the support then became down here. We got a bullish engulfing, that's one. Very strong support that closed above this resistance, that's two. So I believed with momentum that price was going to continue up. So I took my first entry here, and then we got a closure above this resistance, and we're still pretty clean up to 30.24. I took another entry, and we respected this resistance with this candle too, and I closed at a total of 70 pips. So I caught 50 pips on the first trade, and I know it was about 52 pips on the first trade and 18 on the other one. So yeah, the candle kept on pushing up. But yeah, once it pushed up, then it started to pull back. I closed, I got out of both. But yeah, price kept on going a little bit. But yeah, my first buy target, if gold decides to continue, would be this 4-hour resistance. For sells, I would need gold to close back below this resistance here, this 30-minute resistance, and then we'll have a fake out, and then potentially a lower high on the 4-hour time frame. So I hope that makes sense. For the buys, now, yeah, I need to see how this candle closes. If this candle closes with resistance and it closes above, I'll be taking the buys up. I'll continue to take the buys up. All right, pound yen. Pound yen has been quite horrible this morning. So the daily is currently bearish. What's up, Benny? Daily is currently bearish and pulling back. Got a little top wick. Structure is quite bullish as well. We didn't really close above this weekly resistance level that we have here. So it's a weekly and a daily level. Weekly high there. Daily as well. The 4-hour has formed a resistance now right off of this key level, of this psychological level. 195, pound yen pulled back. So 4-hour is currently bearish, daily is bearish. We could possibly retrace this push up from yesterday. We are pushing away from, like I said, the key level, so I can imagine pound yen doing that. But so let me go back to the 4-hour. So if this 4-hour creates a support, because it's respected this previous low, if it creates a support in the next hour and 10, I think it might continue up. It was just rejecting this level because it's, you know, it's a higher time frame key level. But I would need a strong support and then potentially volume to continue pushing up. For the sells, I'll just be relying on the lower time frames. This 30-minute support here, price, look how much time price has come down. I really dislike when GJ does this, but we've pulled down into this support and it's just been bouncing. So I know it looks a bit messy, but I do kind of need these levels here. No, I don't need this one anymore. Get rid of that 4-hour resistance. I'm gonna make this a 4-hour high time frame, nice and yellow. But right now, this is the range that pound yen is working with. So this got this support here. We do have another support below. But I mean, I think with volume, if we can finally break this support, I would like a closure below the second one, and then I'm looking for sells all the way down. A good retracement. Look at this range. How clean is this range? 55 pips. And look at the structure. We've got a high, lower high, lower high. The sells look good. So hopefully we get a nice clean move today. There's no news, so we should just be relying on price action. Anyone catch any trades this morning? Anyone get any nice trades today? And I had some nice trades. So I'm pretty happy with London session for once. I was looking at some GJ buys. GJ buys here. So this morning, this is what it looked like. This is why I was thinking buys on pound yen, because even though we've pulled back from these levels, we've got this low here, and then we made a higher low, and then we've got it's kind of like a continuation pattern to go up, and then price started pushing up. So I was thinking, okay, we're gonna retrace this drop because we're creating higher lows, but pound yen said, yeah, no, I'm not going up. I'm gonna just range, and then I'm gonna stay in this range, and that's it. But I'm not ready to go up yet, so good thing we had gold to focus on. Because if I stayed looking at pound yen, I wouldn't have caught no gold trades. Let's change that. So yeah, now we just wait. But yeah, sells below here for gold, or if we stay above this resistance and still create higher lows, then I think gold is going to push up some more. If the current 30-minute gold candle closes bearish, I might take sells. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm waiting a little bit for these gold sells. I'm waiting for gold sells. Like yesterday, I was definitely on gold sells because where were we? Because of how this 4-hour candle closed. But right now I don't have enough information for sells because the daily's bullish, the 4 hours currently bullish. Let's see, even on the other chart. And 4 hours flipping bearish. Yeah, I'm not ready for sells just yet. After this push up this morning, I need a lot of confirmations. Yeah, I need at least like a fake out, because we've got this range that we broke above the range. So if we close back in this range, then the sells look good to come down. But with this, with gold pushing up and creating higher lows, yeah, not just yet. I'll need to see something more like this, like what we had yesterday. We had a high and then we started to make lower highs, then these sells look really good to come down and then push through the range. And this, we had more noise to the left. It wasn't even very clean. A fake out would be good. I mean, we could be getting this fake out soon. Look, 3 minutes left. It's only got to drop like just over 10 pips, which is nothing. So if we get a closure below this resistance, oh yeah, the sells definitely look good. That would be my confirmation to be trading against. Oh look, and the 4 hours flipping bearish. See, that makes more sense. I need at least one of the higher time frame candles in the direction of my trade. At least one. Let's see how gold reacts to this resistance. Where's the haven't used this in a while. Asian range. What's up, Rosie? What's up? What's up? Let me look something up real quick. I think I can take away the stream delay actually. Let me... I don't want to do it while the stream's on, just in case it closes it. Advanced settings file. Well, it doesn't let me change it while I'm live anyway. Good. Alright, let me see if that's worked. Okay, some streams are like 10 seconds behind. It's not crazy. Right, so gold didn't close below. If it creates a support here, I think it's going to continue going up. But again, just want to see how this 4 hour candle actually closes. Oh, GJ closed below, with no bottom wick. Damn, GJ. GJ's tapped into that support. Just need it to break and go to break 30.20. We'll have to wait for these candles to close. Now, if these bottom wicks weren't here, these pound yen sells could have been nice, because I anticipate volume. We've kind of got a clean range. We would have a clean range down to this support, and then I expect this support to be broken, and then we keep pushing. But with these wicks down here, yeah, I need a full closure below this last support. Yeah. Gold impulse entry. All right, Benny. Benny said he's in some cells. Let's see if gold pushes for you. I hope it does. I hope it does. And closure below. You know what? You're right. Because if I move this support to right here, would you look at that? That sucks. That's a nice move, you know? That's a very nice move. So gold is quite bullish though. If it makes a support, it's gonna push up. Yeah, we got a while for that. We got a while for that. But I hear you. I think if gold like it's creating structure now, but this is quite a nice setup because it's created structure and then it's broken it. So if you look, you've got a high. How am I gonna draw this? Alright, push down. We created a support. We've pushed up and then we've closed below this support here. So that's why this entry is pretty good, because we've done that up, 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 and then we've closed below. So we've broken the uptrend structure by closing below, by breaking this support. Nice, nice. It's a quick trade. Look how quick that was. Clean candles down too. Perfect. Perfect. Let's see how far gold pushes down into this range now. My only thing is now, how far is gold gonna push because of this? So it'd be good if it at least comes down to this trend line, which is still another 50 pips away. Gold is fundamentally still bullish, but this downtrend is confusing. Yeah, I know what you mean. I know what you mean, because like 4 hour, like overall gold is still bullish, right? I mean, we're in the 3,000 price range, so I know what you mean. Like obviously the price is bullish, but the 4 hour and the daily is bearish, but we don't have that complete bearish structure. We've just got bearish candles, but the 4 hour is quite bearish. 4 hours giving us that structure. So if the daily can flip bearish, we could get a wick fill. I was kind of anticipating that yesterday, but it didn't quite reach the bottom of the wick from Friday. But this was a perfect scalp. This was a perfect scalping move. Look how quick it pushed down. It was very quick. And why actually have a clean range to the left? It pushed so early into the candle. There's so much time left. Yeah. It's true. A whole 19 minutes. We need to either keep pushing or pull back up, or it could just stay down here, just range. Have you guys closed partials, or are you just letting this trade run? This thing is running. If your whole position is running, you're nice. Even if you have a runner running, the runner should be doing some damage. Where are we at? 40 pips now. And if you use entry candle high as a stop loss, it's beautiful. This thing is running. Holding a runner, nice penny. Nice, 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 nice. Alright, Goldie, what are we doing? GJ is going to drop today. We might be looking at an impulse entry the way it's respecting the support. I see GJ. I mean, the cleanest range is below. Oh, that just move. Yeah, the cleanest range is for the sells, but we do need that. Yeah, I'm taking a closure below. I don't trust the impulse entry just because of all these wicks earlier. Alright, GJ, you're gonna stay below this support. GJ, when it finally breaks, it really is gonna drop. It's really gonna drop because all of this, yeah, it's not good. Not good at all. Damn, Goldie. I wonder if it's gonna come back down to this daily flip. Where did I have that line? Let's see, where did I have that trend line? Should be connecting the bodies. But I want to see if it respects it, or we get a break and retest to continue down. Especially when the structure's like this and we've got higher lows, or even like higher highs. So we want to see a break, retest, push down, something like that. Alright, GJ, we finally pushing. Still 5 minutes left. Ooh, might get a GJ closure below. That'll be perfect. Perfect. Oh, GJ, where are we going? Where are we going? GJ continuation pattern. It kind of looks like it. If it closes weak bullish, then we would actually have a continuation pattern. It's true, it's true. I wonder if it will give us that. Let me pull this up here. what's gold doing? RGJ is messing about up here. Gold is for me, this looks like it might do something that it did this morning. Might do the same thing. You know, we've had this push down, no top wick on this candle, by the way, and then when it was going to push up and form this support, it was quite a strong push up. See what this 4-hour candle's saying. Still got 30 minutes. Nah, 4-hour definitely looks good for sales, to be fair. It's a strong 4-hour candle. Let's see what happens in 30 minutes. So if it pushes back up 50 pips and closes bullish, oh no. Alright, gold's closed deep in the range, and it did give the fake out that I was looking for, but I mean, with this much of a push down, and now we've got this long previous top wick. Yeah, I couldn't take any sells in this range. I would like a break of this low. It's only 30 pips away. This doesn't make sense. This GJ continuation pattern looks really good. It looks really good. It actually looks really good. We've got a closure below, a weak bullish candle, which also respected the broken support. I think if we break this low, we continue. How big is the stop loss? Oof, 12 pips, 13 pips. Might have to risk it for the biscuit. It's only 13 pips. It's just I don't really like selling into support, but I think this support gets slapped, honestly. You don't want to miss this one. Listen, I'm up 70 pips today. I'm good. That's, wait, 70, that was the second trade, and then the first trade was the 20 pips. So like 90 pips I'm up today. I ain't worried about missing no trades. But when you have good days, you should definitely capitalize. I agree with that. I never think, oh, you know what, I've made enough today, let me chill. But there's a thin line between greed and executing everything you see. You know? And the only thing that's making me quite cautious is the fact that it's selling right into this support. Like, I'm not a fan of that. That's why I need a closure below rather than just this. But it does look very good. It does. And I mean, 13 pips, I can risk 13 pips, to be fair. I just don't want anyone that hasn't taken any trades today to jump in. It becomes a loss. And it's like, you know, if I didn't have a win, it's something I wouldn't do. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Sorry, it's my Liverpool accent. But yeah, it needs to be a super good setup. It does look good. The confirmations would be, got the first closure below, the continuation pattern, which also respected the broken support, and then yeah, we're filling the wick. If we break the low, that's another confirmation. So there are like 3 confirmations. But the red flag is, what am I looking for? The red flag is this support that it's selling into. That's it. But it does look good to continue down. The structure looks very good to continue down. right? Dum, dum, dum. The stop loss is real nice. Oof, yeah, I'm gonna have to go for it, you know, when it breaks the low. Let's do it. GJ. Shit. Alright, getting ready, getting ready. It's gonna be a manual entry. Hopefully it doesn't just slap and drive down. Dum. So now we've got to wait for a good break. And this is kind of why I want a manual entry, because I don't want to just put a sell stop there and get tapped in and price pulls back. I don't mind being late by a pip or two. Maybe not 2 pips, but yeah, I need that proper confirmation, you know. Hopefully we get these sells. What's this 4 hour looking like? Look, oh, 4 hours breaking the lows. Yeah, the sells look good. The sells look real good. Come on, GJ. My brokers bugging. Oh, nearly. Nearly. So the price I really want is 194.28. Yeah, I want 194.28 for an entry, and that's just including spread, fully breaking the low of the candle. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna keep an eye on it. Look at gold. Let's see if it just retests this support and continues down. But coming very close to my GJ entry. Got a very small top wick. But this is a perfect continuation pattern, to be fair. I don't know if you guys remember me talking about taking entries as soon as the pattern forms. So it would be literally as soon as the candle opens, just taking the sells. Especially when you have a long bottom wick, because you're anticipating the wick fill. Come on, GJ. Like literally 2 pips away, a pip and a half. All right, at 28.9. Boom. I got to 28. All right, I'm in some sells here. 13 pips. Stop loss, so nowhere to really manage risk. But we got a small stop loss, so about 13 pips. So 41. It's actually 41 on the dot. Let's see if price breaks this low or it pulls up. But don't forget there's this support there. I don't like the wicks to the left. Yeah, I was looking at those. But the things that are with this bearish idea is the fact that the 4 hours broken the low, previous low. The 1 hour's broken the low. 30-minute continuation pattern. And then we also have this downtrend structure. And we're pushing away from higher time frame key levels. So we've got nice 4 hour resistance there. There was a 4 hour, like 4 hour levels here. So it's, I mean, it looks good to drop. We've got a clean range below. Just need to drive down, really. You know, 13 pip stop loss. You can't go wrong. Let's see. GJ should tank. It should, but will it? We'll find out. We'll find out soon. Real soon. Oh. We'll find out real soon. Right now, it's just bouncing off this support, which is expected because it's done that once here with this bullish candle. Well, you know, we've only been in like 3 pip drawdown. How far is it for this wick fill right here? 11 pips. But really, I want the 4 hour to keep pushing down because we filled that wick. So I want the 4 hour to really be driving. TP is actually all the way down here. All right, we're 10 pips up so far. I'm gonna lock in some once I get to 15-20. See how the next 15-minute candle opens as well. But yeah, we're having a good end to the week, I think. Good end to March. Come on, GJ, let's go. I should put on that clothes, don't it? boom, doom, doom. All right, what's gold doing? Gold is engulfing on the 15-minute time frame. Okay. See this GJ 15-minute candle. This is a really good small stop loss trade. I love when the stop losses are small like this. It's nostalgic when they all used to be like this. 10 pips, 15 pips was a lot. All right, GJ, come on. Alright, you know, I'm gonna keep it on GJ because we are in a trade over here. But 15's already broken the low. Alright, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. We've broken the wicks to the left. You see, we've cleared those wicks. This range is so clean down, so clean. Alright, we're at 13 pips. 13.5 pips. Come on, jump straight to 20 pips. Yeah, right. Get my magic keys ready to close some partials. $15 pips. You know what, let me do that actually. Come on, GJ. Dum dum dum. Wow, it's pulling back a bit. Xauusd Gbpjpy. Wait, let me come back to the charts. Where's this 15-minute candle going? Come on. So it's making a top wick, okay. continuation pattern. I know GJ likes to swing up and down anyway, but if this 15-minute candle, depending on how far it pushes up, but if it closes back in this range above my entry 194.28, I'm just going to close the trade and I'll wait for another entry later. But I don't want it to run all the way back to stop loss, you know. Look at Goldie. Could be getting a 4-hour continuation pattern on gold. It didn't break the previous 4-hour low and it broke the 4-hour high. But I want to see how strong this resistance is. But there's still another hour for this one. On gold. Well, yeah, if gold closes engulfing this last candle like this one did, I don't know if it really pushes all the way up. Let's see. But if it does, like I said, I think gold is going to keep pushing up and make a new high. Not like an all-time high, but, you know, break this resistance. GJ's playing games. But we did break the support. We did break the wicks to the left. We're in this clean range. See how GJ reacts to this broken support. Crazy pullback though, right? A whole 15 pips down then back up. Come on, GJ. Last 6 minutes of this candle. Gold. Okay. See what I mean with gold? The structure is still very bullish. Crazy. We closed back in a range. Now we're pushing up again. Do you even have a bottom wick on this candle? Let me see my broker. No bottom wick here or on my broker. Just push straight up. Back up into this range. Alright, let's see if it just retests or it's actually we actually close back inside. Gold buys above 30.21. Okay. You're on your bullish bias, yeah? What's GJ doing? Hold on. GJ, you got 5 minutes to come back down, okay? But what's crazy is the continuation pattern played out perfectly. Filled the wick, broke the low. So like I said, a perfect entry of this continuation pattern is literally as soon as the candle opened, you could get into a sell, because you'd use the previous candle as a stop loss, and also because you've got a closure below, and then the the bullish candle has respected the support. So that would be my confirmation. I wouldn't wait for the break of the low. I'll just get straight in, use the previous candle high as a stop loss, and then just ride it down. Oh, GJ don't want to push no more. It's done. It's tapping out. Let's see, like I said, if this 15 closes back above 194.30, I'm just going to close. Wherever it's at, I'm closing. If it drives down after, I'm not bothered. But look at this 15-minute candle pull back up. Now gold might be the move, you know. Look at gold. Literally the same thing that happened this morning. So look, we had the support here. We closed below. We got the push down. We came back up. We got the support. We closed below. We pushed down. We came back up. It's like it's repeated itself. The structure is still very bullish. So let me keep an eye on, I kind of want to keep an eye on gold because I want to take an entry. So the entry I took was around here. It was 1834, I think, with spread. Yeah, about that. And I wasn't really concerned with this resistance because I believed a volume would have pushed price up, which it did. So I'm kind of thinking the same thing here. If I get a strong closure, the next candle creates a little bottom wick, we break the high, I think gold continues up. 4 hours not bullish. Yeah. Said gold sells are counter trend. They are a bit counter trend. Alright, GJ, where are you trying to close? One minute left. GJ's got 1 minute to form either a continuation pattern on a 15-minute or at least stay close below this support. Only thing concerning about the gold buys is that there's no bottom wick on this 1230 candle. But price pushed down 15 pips and came back up 15. Alright, where's this candle closing? Oof. Close right below the support. Just about close below the support. Alright, GJ. Where's the break of this high? So 31. Yeah, GJ's crazy. But I think if it breaks this 15-minute high, I'm thinking about either closing partials or closing full. Why is this? This don't need to be this long. I'm gonna at least close 50%. But I want to see how much the candle pushes up, because we could retest this support here, and we do have all of these wicks here that price could buy up into. But yeah, that was a nasty little pullback. Pound yen. All right, gold closed back in the range. I don't want to be in two trades at the same time. I really don't. But I like gold buys at the break of this high. Like I said, volume, you keep pushing up. We break this resistance, tap into this 4-hour level here. But sorry, I'm literally just like got my hand over the buy button for gold, and I can see that pound yen is dropping. So I'm in thinking mode, guys. That's why I'm quiet. I'm making decisions in my head, asking myself a lot of questions. Shoot. Alright, GJ, we should get a wick fill. Now we've got a closure below, which is what I wanted. What I'm thinking is, do I take a gold buy because I really like the gold buys, or do I add another position into this GJ sells? I'm thinking I could add a position. Like, if this just drives down and breaks this bottom wick, I know the stop loss is only going to be about 15 pips. All right, look, 16 and a half pips. You know what I mean? I'll already be in profit by then, so decisions. And then on the other hand, should I take these gold buys because they look real juicy? If I take the gold buys, do I want to add the position to pound yen still? So many questions, so many questions. I think I'm gonna leave gold. I think I might leave gold because I already took some money out of gold today. Took a little bit of money. Normally I'd be done by now, but since I'm in a trade, kind of want to see this thing through. While eating my biscuits. New 4-hour candle. Not much of a top wick. Oh, we're driving down. And gold's pushing up. I have no water. I don't even want to move from the chart. What I don't like about pound yen is this is a new 4-hour candle and we don't have much of a top wick. It's got a very small top wick. But let me see what the other 4-hour chart looks like. That's pretty much the same. Okay, GJ is the same. That 4-hour hasn't changed. Cool. Four-hour chart's the same. For pound yen, it's just gold. It's just XAU USD. And with pound yen as well, I don't really like the fact that it pushed down first. Like, you know, it's better if the candles go in the opposite direction of your trade first, unless you have the continuation pattern. But yeah, for a new hourly candle and new 4-hour candle, this top wick is not ideal. So I'm just thinking, should I just close in the little profits I have and just call it, or should I just let it run its course because it's only 13 pips? It's only 13 pips. I'll be pissed though if I'm watching GJ and it doesn't work out and gold flies. I'll be very pissed. Gold 4-hour wick fill, or We're going to flip bearish and drive down. Gold is quite tricky. That's because of the 2 4-hour candles. 2 different structures. But also with gold, this 30-minute candle here doesn't have a bottom wick. GJ cells look good. Wick fill and break. It's taking its time though, isn't it? Kind of wanted the push on gold too, just for the analysis to be correct. This is painful, man. How long's it been? 10 minutes into this candle. It's not really getting anywhere yet. What's the 15-minute looking like? Because that's about to close in a couple minutes. Okay, 15, still don't look bad. The only good thing is the 15 didn't break the previous 15-minute high. So that's a good sign. GJ is killing me right now. If we get a 15-minute continuation pattern to the upside, oh my god. That's what it looks like it's trying to do. And gold's pushing. If gold pushes, and I've been stuck here looking at pound yen, I'm gonna be very upset. No, I'm not gonna be upset, but it's very annoying. It'll be very annoying. But it looks like it's gonna happen. I need to put this. This has got to be in trade calls, man. Cause what? Let it get to 20 pips, and I'm calling this trade. And if you don't believe me, I will take a clip of where exactly I called this whole move. The engulfing, saying the same thing that was gonna happen. Oh, gold is annoying. Alright, GJ, come on, do your job. Caswell, GJ impulse entry. That's your next entry, right? You got the bearish candle close, take a break of this low for it to continue down. That's the impulse entry, right? Oof. And you have an even smaller stop loss. So I'm getting the hang of these impulse entries. Quick learner. GJ is just not really pushing. I might just close at 10 pips, get a 1-to-1 trade. Ugh. And the thing with pound yen, it will just drop out of nowhere. Oh, gold's not pushing. Oh, kind of tapped into this resistance and respected it. Okay, that's good. I feel better about gold now, at least. I feel better about gold. I'm happy about that. It can pull back now if it wants. Do. Okay, GJ, finally. NYSE in 15 minutes. We might get the push. Yeah, I'm waiting. Waiting and watching. Like I said, it's only a 13 pip stop loss. Oh, there we go. Give me back my 20 pips. Where did it get to? Like 17, something like that. $15, I got to before. Alright, nearly at 20 pips. Pip. Come on, get to 20. I'm like 1.5 pips away from 20 pips. In fact, let me mark it on here. So, yay, here we go, 20 pips. Finally, jeez. GJ's running on black people times, man. Shit. Taking his time. We ain't got time for that. Come on, pound yen. Beautiful. Alright, sorry, yeah, that was a bit locked in. Alright, I've closed 20 pips, guys. And my stop loss is at break even. So my 20 pips was 8.4. Literally. Let's go. Give me all the pips. This was a nice trade. Let's see how far this runner runs now. Nice one. Congrats if you caught it. It was being a pain. A royal pain. Yeah, man, let's go. Give us all these pips. Beautiful. Alright, so the TP, so I'm not even looking at the right chart. TP, I'm looking to hold until it gets down to this support, honestly. 193.74. I'm gonna just hold this thing. I do expect maybe some structure, because I don't know if it, comes all the way down. But if we get a bit of structure, that won't be a bad thing. Just a small little bounce. Come back down. Maybe not exactly there, but where's the 15? Maybe a little bounce up, retest. We'll see. But yeah, nice trade, man. Nice trade. W's. Yes, let's go. It's a really nice trade. Small stop loss. Nice risk reward. This is a 3-to-1 right now. 12 pip stop loss. 30 pips up. Okay, the maths is a little bit off. But, you know, just by a small few numbers. At least a 2-to-1. Don't you love a clean range? Oh, okay, so we're breaking 194. Remember the hassle we was getting at was it 194 or 193? It was 194 yesterday that was given. Yes, 194. How could I forget? It just triggered me. Waiting for this level to break. So we're back at this psychological level. Hopefully we just push through and we don't get a bounce. But I do expect to see price mess around at this level a little bit. But we have NYSE open in 4 minutes, 3 minutes and 22 seconds. So let's see if we get that final push. But for now, look at that, man. 4 hour just looks so good to keep dropping. Look at that 4 hour. Barely any bullish pressure. Barely. Come on, GJ. Look where it bounced from. Look. 193.992. It's the psychological levels, man. Are you on? Oh, shit. Damn. Shit. Alright, guys. I gotta go. Damn. In fact, no. Hold on. I'm just gonna mute my mic.
Campaigns, just like Robin.
All right, guys, I think it tapped me out. I moved my stop loss 20 pips into profit, and I believe I did get stopped out. No, I believe I did, and I got stopped out, so I'm going to leave it here. But W trade today again. Well done for us. Well done if you caught it. It was a nice trade. It took its time, but yeah, it was a good move. It was a good move. Hopefully you capitalized off of it, and may we continue. What I'm looking for right now though is gold. So why I switched to gold is because, yeah, I saw this continuation pattern. I was flicking through different time frames on my computer, and it's kind of already pushed up. But yeah, gold is looking real good. Looking real good to continue. I mean, the bullish structure was there. The bullish structure was there. Even though we had the drop down, you just have to be very cautious of counter trends. Even though the 4 hour is trending down, the overall structure of gold is bearish. I mean, it's bullish, sorry. When you've got a daily and 4 hour that are bullish, anything you're taking, if you're going to take sells, it is going to be counter trend. So you want to be in and out. So just like this morning, in and out of these sells here, in and out of these sells here, but just be cautious of the minor trend, because this trend is actually following the overall trend. So we got the higher low and we pushed up. So I was actually, the trade I was looking for earlier was were buyers right here at a break of this high after this support had formed. So you got an engulfing, you've got a higher low, you got a support, and also the 4 hour would have been flipping bullish at that time. So everything, all your time frames were again inlined, and I was looking for buyers up here. So it's too late for me to put this in trade calls, but I just wanted to explain the idea behind that trade, and obviously understanding the analysis and breakdown that I did earlier. Yeah, cool. Guys, back again tomorrow. I think, wait, tomorrow's Wednesday. Wednesday is CPI day for GBP. I think I'm like I want to say I'm like 1 in 3 for CPI GBP. But you know what? You miss every shot you don't take. So I'm going to be back for London session tomorrow. London and NY. So that's going to be a good long day. CPI Wednesday. Yeah, cool. So tomorrow morning, London session, and then NY. The NY stream might be a little bit later just because of the London session, and get everything that I need to get done after the stream. So maybe 11:30, maybe 12 my time, which would be 7:30 was, I can't even work it out. I can't work. You guys figure it out, man. Shit.